Exercise 6.5, question number 11. In this question there are two aeroplanes and they fly at the same time from the same airport. One aeroplane flies in the direction of due north at the speed of 1000 km per hour and the other aeroplane flies in the direction of due west with the speed of 1200 km per hour. We have to find the distance between the two aeroplanes after 1.5 hours. We have drawn a figure that represents the situation given in the question. Let O denote the position of the airport from where the two aeroplanes fly at the same time. A denotes the position of the one aeroplane after 1.5 hours and B denote the position of the other aeroplane after 1.5 hours. We have to find how far apart will be the two aeroplanes after 1.5 hours. So first we shall calculate distance travelled by the aeroplane in the direction of due north in 1.5 hours. So distance travelled in due north is equal to 1000 into 3/2 and this is equal to 1500 km. Distance equal to speed into time. Speed is 1000 km per hour and time is 3/2 hours. So speed into time is the distance 1500 km. Then we shall calculate distance travelled by the other aeroplane in the direction of due west at the speed of 1200 km per hour in 1.5 hours. So distance travelled in due west is equal to 1200 into 3/2 1800 km, and we have to find this distance AB, which is the distance between the two aeroplanes after 1.5 hours. So using Pythagoras theorem in this right triangle AOB, we can write AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. So AB is equal to under root OA square plus OB square. This implies AB is equal to under root 1500 square plus 1800 square. This is equal to 225 followed by 4 zeros plus 324 followed by 4 zeros, which is under root 549 followed by 4 zeros. To find the square root of this number, first we shall factorize it under the square root sign, and it is 9 into 61 into 100 into 100. This 9 is a perfect square number. Its square root is 9. 100 into 100 is also perfect square number, so square root is 100. 61 is left in square root sign because 61 is not a perfect square number. So 3 into 100, 300 under root 61, this is AB. Therefore, distance between two aeroplanes after 1.5 hours is equal to 300 under root 61 kilometer. Now question number 12. In this question there are two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter is standing vertically on a level ground. Two poles are at 12 meter apart from each other on the ground. We have to find the distance between their tops. This distance Now question number 12. In this question there are two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter is standing vertically upward on the ground. The distance between the feet of the two poles on the ground is 12 meter. We have to find the distance between the two tops of two poles, that is AP. AB here is one pole whose height is 6 meter. PQ is the other pole whose height is 11 meter, and distance BQ between the two poles on the ground is given 12 meter. AR is perpendicular on PQ. So here system is rectangular, that's why BQ and AR will be equal to 12 meter, and AB is equal to RQ, which will be equal to 6 meter. So therefore PR will be equal to PQ minus RQ, PQ minus RQ, which will be 11 meter minus 6 meter equal to 5 meter. Now we have to find this AP, the distance between the tops of the two poles. So let us apply Pythagoras theorem in right triangle PAR. And applying Pythagoras theorem in right triangle PAR, we can write AP square is equal to PR square plus AR square. So this is 5 square plus 12 square. 5 square 25 plus 12 square 144. 25 plus 144 169. So AP square is equal to 169. So this implies AP is equal to under root 169, which is equal to 13. So therefore distance between the tops of the two poles is equal to 13 meter, and this is the answer.